Okay, Ann is out here putting our onions in the ground. I think you can put another row right here.
You're supposed to, it said have them 12 to,
Oh, really?
said 12 to 18 inches apart in ropes.
Well, I would go with closer to 12 than 18.
Well,
That's closer to 18. That's 12.
that's 12?
Mm-hmm.
I was guessing.
We're finally getting some onions in the ground, so that's what she's working on now. You see that? I didn't put that all the way in. That way I can come back and grab it when we take the fence down. Instead of driving it all the way in, I leave it out a little bit so you can get back in there. I need to put that tiller up too. I think we're pretty much done with that. Anyway, I think we're in pretty good shape out here. This is where the strawberries are going to be transplanted to. Currently they're down there. So he's going to slowly transplant them over here. So this is where she got all the onions put in today. It's using about half this space. The other half will probably do tomatoes and maybe some peppers. Down there we'll probably do cucumbers on that fence. So that's what we got so far. So I'm going to wrap this short video up. Thanks for coming and watching Rolling Country Outdoors. We'll see you in the next video. Hey, welcome back to Rolling Country Outdoors. Scott here. I got the tractor up here and the tiller back up here because Ann got this fence moved where she shrunk the strawberry bed down. So I need to till that up after we tilled where the blueberries were. We put some grass seed in there, so I need to get this tilled up and get some grass seed down here. So here we go. Here's what it's looking like. She closed this, made this fence smaller around these strawberries. We'll leave these here, and then we're going to till up this ground right here now. That's what we're going to do now. Okay, just like that, that's done. Just need to scratch up that top surface so we can get some um, get it flattened out and get some grass seed in there. So that's all we needed to do. So well, let's get on to something else. Taking some of these split rail fence up here so we can get this short fencing we were talking about. Up here on the bank barn. That's what I'm working on. That is my woodshed. Really what it is, to be honest, is a catch-all. To everything else I don't have room to place. So that's what that is. So I keep some lawn equipment in there. My wood is in there. Not firewood, but building wood, scraps and stuff that I keep. And then that little bit of everything else gets put in there. So that's what that is.